Alrighty then, this is my first attempt at making a live well out of a huge ice chest. So I bought a pump kit, had to put some extensions on it, make it run through the wall, and then I put in a waterproof LED light, and I put that brass piece on top of the output to make a venturi system to help suck in air and aerate the water even more. But that brass piece I think is a little too small. I'm going to have to replace it with a larger hole so it sucks in more air. Let's give it a try and see how it looks. Let's see how it looks with the light out. The big light. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. I think the fishies are gonna like it. Time to make some improvements.